In this video, we will be learning how to use the conditional container component. The conditional container component enables you to restrict the visibility of certain items depending on the user role. For example, choose to only show specific content to admin users or hide content from users in a certain department. For this to work, your app must include a login. The conditional container will base the conditions on the login data source. To get started, first open your app and click Add New Screen, and then select the conditional container. The screen template includes one conditional container. To add another conditional container, scroll through the Components menu on the right and drag and drop the conditional container to the screen. To see the conditions, click the container and using the Settings menu on the right-hand side, add a condition to your container. Under Container Visibility, if condition is true, you can select to hide or show. On the Data field, type the column title from the user data source. Note that this field is case-sensitive. Under Logic, you can select the following options. Equals. Use this option if you want the value to be equal to the information on the selected data source column. Doesn't equal. Use this option to exclude one option from the user data source. Contains. Use this option if you are adding multiple conditions with different values in the same column. Note that when creating multiple conditions, if the user matches more than one condition, only the last condition will apply to this user. Add the value, for example, if you want to show the container to admin users, and if your data source admins are marked as yes, you would have the data field set to admin, the logic set to equals, and the value as yes. Once you are happy with your conditions, select Save and Close. Once you have configured your conditional container settings, drag and drop any desired components inside the container. Once you have created your conditional container, we recommend testing to ensure that the conditions are working correctly. To test your conditional container, go to Preview mode. Log in as a user who meets the conditions you created, as well as a user who does not meet the conditions, to ensure that you only see the correct version of the screen.